Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 5 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 7 Coordinate Geometry. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 7.2, question number 4. Find the coordinate, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point minus 310 and 6 minus 6 minus 8 is divided by minus 1 6. Okay. Solution. Let A is equal to minus 310 and B is equal to 6 minus 8. Point P minus 1 6 divides sec AB in the ratio m is to n. Okay. Then you draw figure. This is point A, this is point B. A minus 310, B 6 minus 8, P is given minus 1 6, and the ratio is what m is to n. So this part is m and this part is n. Using section formula m P minus 1 6, so coordinate of B minus 1 6 is equal to this into this, that is 6 into m minus 3 into n, actually plus but minus 3, therefore this sign is changed, minus 3n upon m plus n, and for y coordinate it is minus 8m plus 10n upon m plus n. Now comparing with x coordinate, now this is a x coordinate and this is y coordinate. You can compare with any coordinate. So I compare with x coordinate. So minus 1 is equal to 6m minus 3n upon m plus n, and this you simplify. Therefore this you transfer on this side. Minus m minus n is equal to 6m minus 3n, and therefore 7 minus 7m is equal to minus 2n, and therefore m upon n is equal to minus 2 upon minus 7 gives you 2 upon 7, and therefore m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7, and hence point P minus 1 6 divides sec AB in the ratio 2 is to 7 internally. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. Okay. Solution. Let point on x-axis be x0, because this point is on x-axis, therefore y coordinate is 0, and therefore their coordinates may be what, x comma 0. Let point P x0 divides sec AB in the ratio m is to n. Then draw figure. So this is point A, this is point B, P is a point x0, m is to n. Okay. Using section formula, P x0 is equal to m into minus 4, so that is minus 4, plus n into 1, that is n, upon m plus n. And for y coordinate, m into 5, that is 5m minus n into, so actually it is plus, so n into minus 5, therefore it becomes what, minus 5n upon m plus n. Okay. Now comparing y coordinate, because y coordinate, you know y coordinates, and therefore you compare with y coordinate. So comparing with y coordinate 0 is equal to this phi m minus phi m upon m plus n, and therefore this you transfer on this side, so it gives you 0. Phi m minus phi n is equal to 0, and therefore m minus n is equal to 0, and therefore m is equal to n, and therefore m upon n is equal to 1 upon 1, and therefore m is to n is equal to 1 is to 1. Okay. X coordinate of point P x0 is, now x is equal to minus 4 into 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 gives you minus 4 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2, and therefore coordinate of point of division is minus 3 upon 2 comma 0. Okay. Question number 6. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Solution. So this is a quadrilateral given. P is equal to 1, 2, Q is equal to 4y, R is equal to x6 and S is equal to 3, 5, and this is parallelogram given. So quadrilateral PQRS is parallelogram given, and therefore diagonal of parallelogram are bisector of each other. So you know this property. So if this is parallelogram, then this is a diagonal, this is a diagonal, and these diagonals are bisector of each other. Means this part and this part is equal, this part is equal, and that means O is midpoint of this PR and O is midpoint of QS. Okay. And now therefore by midpoint formula O, so this O x1 y1 is equal to, use midpoint formula, 1 plus x upon 2 and 2 plus 6 upon 2 gives you 1 plus x upon 2 comma 4. So this is the coordinate of O. Similarly, you can find coordinate of y by this second diagonal. So O x1 y1 is equal to 4 plus 3 upon 2 and y plus 5 upon 2. Simplify this, is equal to 7 upon 2 comma y plus 5 upon 2. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Comparing coordinate of this O, point O, x1 y1. So 1 plus x upon 2 is equal to, so this is a what, x coordinate, this is x coordinate of what, O. Compare this. So 1 plus x upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2, and if you simplify you will get x is equal to 6, and this point you compare, y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 4, and if you simplify this you will get y is equal to 3. Okay. Question number 7. Find the coordinate of a point A where AB is diameter of circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is equal to 1, 4 given. Now try to understand solution. Now you know AB is diameter given, and therefore this C is center, which is a midpoint of AB. So since AB is distant in the diameter, C 2, minus 3 is midpoint of AB. So using midpoint formula you can find this. Using midpoint formula, C 2 minus 3 is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 and y plus 4 upon 2, and then you compare this. So comparing coordinates, x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 and y plus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 3, and if you simplify this you will get x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 10, and therefore coordinate of point A is 3 comma minus 10. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.